Ezra is eating a bowl of snow. Yes, you are. He kept wanting to go outside and eat the snow. So I brought a bowl of snow in for him. And him and the cat are enjoying it. Is that good? Is that good snow? Yeah? How's that taste? We probably got about 8 inches of snow last night. I'm not quite sure. Just never ends. March 3. Yummy. Can you say bye? Bye-bye.